In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the same item to multiple boards automatically in Monday.com. If you've ever found yourself creating the same task in different teams' boards, this will save you a lot of time and keep everything consistent across your workspace. Start by opening Monday.com and heading to your home view so you're in a neutral place within your account. Being on home helps ensure you're not buried inside a specific board and makes it easier to access your account controls. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account and workspace, especially if you work with multiple organizations. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This opens your account menu, where you can quickly reach key settings and tools. From that menu, choose the App Marketplace. The Marketplace is where you'll find approved extensions that add powerful automation features to your boards. Once the Marketplace opens, go to the search bar and type "Same item in multiple boards." Keep your spelling simple and let the suggestions guide you if needed. You're looking for the listing that specifically mentions creating or duplicating the same item across multiple boards automatically. If you see multiple results, select the one whose title matches exactly and skim the short description to confirm it does what you need. Click into the app's listing to learn more before you install. This page is useful for reviewing what the app does, any limitations, and whether there are permissions or pricing considerations. Take a moment to check ratings and screenshots so you know what to expect. This is also a great place to verify that the app is compatible with your plan level and that it supports the types of boards you use. When you're ready, click Install App. If your organization requires admin approval, you may see a prompt. In that case, request access or ask an admin to complete the install. During installation, you may be asked to confirm permissions. Read them carefully so you understand what data the app will access. Approve the prompts to proceed. That's it for the setup from the Marketplace side. After installation, the app will be available within your Monday.com environment, so you can enable workflows that automatically add the same item to multiple boards. If you don't see the Marketplace option or can't install apps, check your permissions or contact your admin. And if search doesn't return the exact app right away, try simplifying the query to Same Item and look for the listing that mentions multiple boards. You've now added the tool that makes cross-board item creation fast and reliable.